So there is onions, curry, and Normandy and pepper. And sorry, not pepper, and salt. And a bit of garlic. Rosemary. A bit of rosemary and a bit of thyme. Mix together. My auntie is the one cooking, not me.
Okay, let me put water.
Yeah, water. White water. So over here, she's using tomatoes and hot pepper, onions, and paprika and sweet paprika.
Spinach.
She's also going to be using spinach. So we have mackerel fish and we have dry fish. She's currently washing the dry fish.
Let me finish.
Yeah, she's removing a lot of the bones. You can see it because of the cake. Gonna blend the melon seed.
Want to put
Olive oil.
little.
She said a little bit of olive oil. So she add a little bit olive oil, palm oil to it, red palm oil. So that's red palm oil. And a bit of salt. We are learning how to cook from my auntie. Yeah, guys, we're learning how to cook from her. So she's the chef of today. Whoa, guys, did you see that? Look at this. Oh my God, this is a chef. Onions into the oil and onions into the... Ooh, I've never seen this type before. Look at him, the foodie of the house. But look at him, they have come, besties. So she's mixing it together. Right, girl, you're gonna like this chef. You're gonna like this chef. This chef, she looks like my grandmama and my grandpa. Ready, steady, ready, steady. Go! Okay. You and your bestie, you guys are coming to steal snacks. Ah, your mom said you people have been eating it since. Is that true? Annie, your mom said you guys have been eating it since. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That's like my mom cooking. They always use enough of oil. Unlike me. So for those of you that are screaming in my comment section, the oil is too much. Come and scream here. Come and scream here. She is here. The chef is here.
I never cover me like that. Give me. Look.
Fima, where? Wow, guys, look at that.
Yeah.
What are going?
Sorry,
Yeah,
don't be
exactly.
lost. Your wife do live video.
Oh, Shatta, you lost. Sorry.
Again, yeah.
Sorry again. Guys, do you know what happened today?
Mm.
You don't hear me?
Yeah.
This woman want to put me on one chance. You don't want
You
chance.
know, I want for this thing. Stop that thing.
Ooh. Now she transfer it.
I'm not like
Yeah.
Florida and Kentucky.
Hey, Kentucky in the house. How you doing? Hey, Florida in the house. So just put a vegetable on it. Oh, now we have swallow. You see it? Or swallow it with you.
Yeah, what? I mean,
No, if you are from US, okay.
Shout is not a lot from today. It's always like that. My major. So that's Maggie.
it's not. I don't feel mad.
Yeah. Ooh, Shout, no, don't worry. We're not talking to you.
I don't understand.
Sorry.
Sorry, my
Ask
auntie.
I put salt.
Ooh.
So many people.
Ooh la la la. Look at that.
No, it. Now, what
Guys,
did you
soup
do,
is
Sha?
ready. Soup is ready. Ready, 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 ready. Soup is ready.
Anyway, now try.
Oh, look at that, guys. We'll make this in the pot. Look at it. Thank you. So we make a very big pot of swallow for everybody. So we make potato swallow today with the egusi soup that my auntie made. Ooh, that's hot. That's so hot. Ooh. It's really hot. But it's okay. Fit my auntie now, maybe it will not be so hot for her. For my mom, it will not be hot. I know that. Because it was so much, so I don't want to waste my time in the microwave because it's so much. You can see how much it is. Washing of that is not the problem. Look at how much it is. So let's take some soup for everybody. Oh, I didn't see that one. Oh. I didn't see that one. If I see that one, I could have used that one. Okay. So, over here we have beef, we have fish, mackerel fish, and we have is it stockfish? No, dry fish. Nigerian dry fish that my mom brought from Nigeria. And let me say the last one we have. Snail.
Snake?
Snail.
Ah.
We have snail, not snake. Have you eaten snail before? Snake. No snake. Have you eaten snail before?
No.
Are you sure? She has not eaten snail before? Annie, look at me, please. Come closer with it. Show it. Show what I'm doing. Look at that, guys. Oh. Now that is it. That is it. Let's take a little bit of snail.
Oh, snail.
Oh, now you know it. So have you eaten it before?
I don't think so.
Are you sure? I don't believe that one. Are you sure? Because your mom do cook with it. Because my mom do send
You
it
say
to
you
your
didn't
mom.
like it? Your friend come to our house and carry all this snail in my house.
Whoa. What was that? How does snail in my house? So let's go and serve. let's go and serve everybody. Food is ready. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video. Love you all.